film when you have your nieces over. Oh my God. Jamila, your dad will buy me new filming equipment. I told you, don't touch anything.
Make sure you like her video. Smash that subscribe button. Smash that heart button. So she can get more followers,
Thank you,
subscribers, and everything.
Okay, bye.
We love y'all.
We love
Bye.
you. Bye. Hey beautiful, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for clicking that button to view my video. I appreciate it so much. What was that laugh? Anyways, today we're doing something real simple in my opinion, because I honestly don't feel like doing my hair at all. I'm not even joking, like at all. So I'm trying to find something quick. I felt like putting it up in a pineapple, but I felt like I would leave it for a whole week and my hair would get tangled and then it would take another 2 hours to detangle. So I'm like, yeah, let's not do that. Let's put on our big girl pants and do our hair today. So here we are. This has been a 3-day process, by the way. Day 1, I took down my hair and detangled. Day 2, I pre-pulled my hair, shampooed, and then moisturized it. And here we are on day 3. I sprayed some water just to bring back the moisture in my hair. Hence, you've seen like the white residue. That's all my leave-in conditioner and all that good stuff. And some oils to make my hair cooperative. I've actually been using the new Cecred products for this whole routine, like the ones in the blue packaging, like this one. Cecred Hydrate Shampoo has been in my wash day routine for a year now, and I absolutely love it. So when I saw like the blue line, I was like, ooh, that's for us, let me try it. The last product I'm going to use to conclude this wash day routine is the hair and scalp balm. I haven't used it at all, so anyways, I haven't used it yet, so we're gonna see what it looks like or feels like. Anyways, I'm gonna stop yapping, get into doing my hair. I'm trying to do flat twist all back, but like a zigzaggy type affair. Let's see how it goes. And I was like, ooh, let me add a little bit of to the ends just to make it like really cute. I actually have an event I'm going tonight, which is like an elegant event. So I'm like, ooh, that'd be cute to do. Anyways, I got this from beauty supply store, so that's what I'm going to add into the ends of my twists. I'm going to flat twist my own hair all the way, and then when I get to the end, then I'll add the hair extension. That's what we're doing. Per usual, you know I like to start my hair from the back, and as for the back, I already started. Let me show you what I did. Okay, so because we're doing flat twists all the way to the back, I made sure I did single twists at the back because I don't want to lose my edges here and it reduces tension. So once I do my flat twist at the back, they would end here rather than end in here and taking away all my back hair. I don't want that. So this is a way to save the edges at the back. And yes, I didn't show how I did it on camera because I have done so many twist hairstyle on this platform. I will link some below so you can go back and look again. This is like the length that I wanted. Not too long. Maybe I'll make it longer. Who knows? Maybe not. But yeah, single twists at the back are done. And now we can start doing the front. The initial idea is to do 8 flat twists, but who am I kidding? I'm gonna do more than that. Carry on. I begin by starting to part my hair in front, and one thing about me is sometimes I just wing hairstyles. Like I started this hairstyle saying I was going to do a zigzag type thing, hence our first parting. And if you know me, you know I use 2 mirrors, one in front, one at the back, to ensure that my parts are clean. I'm using the Scalp Care by Cecred for the first time, but I actually enjoyed it. I put it all around my hair and then my scalp. Then the key to flat twist, as you know, is, say it with me, detangling. Trust me, it's a game changer. It just makes your flat twist flow a little bit more and it's just easy. Sometimes when I'm halfway through my flat twist, I'll take a white tooth comb and just comb through it to detangle some more, and then I continue flat twisting. Remember I said I was going to add some hair extensions? We're at the end of this flat twist, and that's where I add the hair extension. This was the hair I could find at Beauty Supply. It wasn't long, so I was like, it'll do. I'll just add a little bit more at the tip. but it's so easy. I literally put it in between my flat twist that I'm doing and just continue the motion of flat twisting, so it's seamless and it just feels like it's growing from my scalp. Here I am adding extra length because I just wanted it to be a little bit longer than the actual hair that I have, and it worked through. I used color 1B, so it matches my hair color. Remember, don't put hair extension in your mouth when you're braiding. Use a clip to clip that bad boy up and then continue braiding. We don't know where the hair has been and we don't know all the chemicals that's been there. Once I finish twisting the hair, I use the scissors, clip the end, and that's it. One flat twist done. I'm not sure about it, but we gotta trust the process. I don't know if it'll fit my face. My face is a bit round at the moment. I was trying to do like a zigzag, but I think, could you do what he did? I think I would do like one here, and then start this way. I don't know. We're basically winging it, so let's see. Okay, so I'm definitely taking that chance and seeing how this hairstyle would turn out. I am patting my second flat twist, looking at the lines. Oh my god, I see a gray hair. Anyways, I digress. I'm cleaning my lines and then I start to flat twist. Per usual, flat twist I love more than cornrows. I don't know why. There's just something about it. It's easier for me to do and it just doesn't hurt as much as cornrows. Does that happen to you? Does cornrows hurt your scalp more than flat twist? I don't know how to explain it. It just, even when I don't do it tight, it just hurts a little bit. So I always prefer flat twist over cornrows. Just wanted to know that. Okay, I think I'm starting to like it. I spoke too soon. I kind of like the way the shape is going now, so panic averted. Let's keep on twisting. Okay, at this point, I'm almost getting to the midpoint, but I just wanted to show you guys real quick how I'm adding the extension. So take a close look on how I'm adding it. So I separate my flat twist that I'm doing and add the hair extension in the middle. Then I continue to flat twist per usual. Make sure you're also holding it down with your fingers so that the extension doesn't slip. But can you see how seamless the extension just flows with my hair? It looks like it's almost growing out of my scalp. I find this technique so easy and so quick to do. You can rewind, put it on slow-mo just so you can see it a bit more to understand how I added the hair extension. And if you'd want me to do another video just showing exactly that, let me know in the comments. See how I started this video by saying I was gonna do like a zigzag thingy, and then I decided to wing it, and now I'm doing like almost like a side part thingy. I usually love how I would start with an idea and then pivot to another idea. Pivot! Okay, have you seen Friends? But yeah, I love how I would go from one idea and then it'll sort of change into something else. So this would be my last one to do on this side, and then I would do the side. Side parts suit me better. I think so. Anyways, I like the way it's looking so far. Alright, trying to do this side, and yeah. This is also random, but I do find doing flat twists very therapeutic. I don't know what it is about flat twists, but it just calms me down when I do it on my scalp. Also, when I started adding hair extensions to my flat twist, it was no easy fit. What you're seeing now is practice makes progress. It takes a while and I had to practice over and over for me to get the hang of it. It wasn't easy at first. Honestly, when I started to flat twist my hair, I did not know how to add extension to it at all. So I just kept practicing and practicing until I became better. So if you're looking at this video and you don't know how to do it, don't lose hope, because it just takes a little bit of practice here and there, trial and error as well. But you get there, my love. You get there. Oh my god, look at my flat twist. Getting to the end of the hairstyle and I absolutely love it so far. I'm glad I followed my gut and just went with my instincts and what my fingers wanted to do as well. And usually when I do this, the hairstyles always turned out bomb diggity, so I absolutely like it. I'm just showing you what the overall length of the hairstyle is, and it works. I love it. Look at the hair, it fits my face. Since I started using this edge drops last year, I literally swear by it. I love it. I just like how it feels on my scalp. And that's it. Hair done. I just need to put a little bit of mousse at the ends, and that's it. I don't do much. I don't need to dip it in hot water. I don't need to do nothing. To think that I didn't feel like doing my hair this morning, I'm actually glad I got the motivation to do it, because I like it. Let me put on some makeup and see how it actually looks. I absolutely love this hair so much. I love that it's weightless. I love that I only added the hair extension towards the end, and it's just my own hair starting from beginning to like about here. It's not pulling at all. It's not heavy. It's really cute. It looks so nice. It looks so good. It looks so cute. It looks so beautiful.
Why do you go one on just on one side?
Because that's what I want to do. Jada, what are you doing?
Is this a microphone?
Yes.
Why do you need a microphone?
Why do I need a microphone? So they can hear me when I'm recording.
Hi.
Oh my god.
Wait, is this one working?
Don't touch that. No.
Okay, you guys should
They
get.
can't even see you. Hold on, Jada.
I'm t-shirt. So if you're new to Junk Khadijah's channel, make sure you subscribe, hit the link, and comment below.
Like and subscribe.
And then if you also want to get her new holiday shirts, make sure you go to Bits and Bob's Balconary. Bye. Like and subscribe, hit the bell, and get her new merch before they're all sold out. They're selling out fast. Hit the like below. Hit it
Thank
before
you.
they all sell out.
What they said. Alrighty.
Let's get this party started.
If you've gotten to this point of this video, I appreciate it. You're a superstar. Thank you so much. As usual, press that like button because it helps my videos go far, far and away. And if you haven't subscribed already, please don't forget to subscribe like my nieces said. And also don't forget to press that bell so you get notifications for every time I post videos like this. And that's about it. Thank you. Bye.